Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gan of Python. In the last tutorial we have covered the pandas functions, and in this tutorial also we will see some more pandas to functions guys. So let's get started. These are the functions that we will cover in this tutorial: duplicate, drop duplicate, and lookup and in function. Okay, so to remove the duplicates, it is very important to remove the duplicates from your data set guys. Okay, for the data pre-processing, when you will turn into the machine learning projects, then in that case you should be replace your duplicates from your data set. Okay guys, so it is very important topic, so we will start this one. First of all, we will create one dictionary guys, same what we have created in the last tutorial, id. Then inside this I will put any random value till 5, then I will repeat this value so that it is easier to understand. Then I will create the same column, that is age. Then I'll put any random value over here, then I will repeat those values. Okay, now I will execute this one. I will convert this into the data frame. For that I need to import pandas as pd, then pd dot data frame. Then inside this one I need to pass data. It is converted now guys, so I will put this in the data. Now we can use that data in further. Okay, now we will see the functions one by one. That is data dot duplicate. See, we are getting in the boolean format. See what we have put, that is data in duplicates, means in your data duplicates are there or not. See, we are getting true, means duplicates are there. Okay, we have seen here that is till 4 we don't have any duplicates. False we are getting, that means we don't have any duplicate till 5 till 4. Then from 5 itself we are getting the true value, means duplicates are there in your data set. Okay, so if you want to check your in your data, so simply you have to pass the data dot duplicate, then you can see your inside your data. Okay guys, see 1 2 3 4 5, these are the duplicates. From 5 to 9, these are the duplicates guys. Okay, one more attribute is there, keep. You can go for first, we are getting this data. You can go for last, you will get, see the index is changed now, 0 to 4, and in first you can see the index start from 5 to 9. Okay guys, so one more thing in this, that first and last means first 5 will shown on your data set, and last means last data, what are the duplicates are there last that you will show first, what are the duplicates you will show at the first. Okay guys, one more thing is in this, that is false. Once you will go for false, you will get all data set duplicate also, it will show on your data set when you will put the false over here. Okay guys, so this is the attribute, that is keep, and inside this we have three things, that is first, last, and false. Okay guys, now we'll see some more stuffs inside this one. So inside this data dot drop duplicate. Okay guys, we'll see in this, once you will execute, it will drop your duplicate. That is, what is the duplicate value? This from fifth, that is index till 9, it is duplicate, so it will remove, and we are getting the 0 to 4 values. Okay, you can see over here 0 to 4 we are getting false, means that is not duplicate value we are getting here, and we have dropped the duplicate guys. Okay, here also we have this attribute, that is keep first. Once you will execute, you will get same data. If you want to keep the last 5, means sorry, last these all are, if you want to keep, you can keep that as well. Okay guys, see the index starting from 5 till 9. Okay, So like this you can put here guys. So I will put the first. Okay, so like this you can replace your duplicates, you can drop your duplicate from your data set. Hope this will make sense guys, how to remove the duplicate and how to check the duplicates, means we have the duplicates in our data set or not. It is very important topic guys. Okay, then in this we will see one more function, that is lookup. Okay, lookup, what it will does, lookup data, simply data dot lookup. What it will give, it will give the data, it will give the particular data from your data set. Let's say 0th element, then we have to pass the index, you can pass id. Once you will execute you will get 1, you can see over here. This is very important. Lookup means if anybody asks you, I want these details with this index and this let's say column, I want the information with the 0th index and id column, let's say age also column, you can see. So it is very important guys. So it's a 10 inside your data set. You can put number of let's say I'll copy this one, I'll paste it over here. Then I will put, let's say 1 also. If you want 2 information, you need to put the 2. See, I will execute this one. I got an error. What is an error? Row labels must have same as column labels. Okay, so you should have, if you put the 2 in the index over here, you should put the 2 columns name. So that is, we'll put the id and ages. Once you will execute, see 0th index in id we are getting 1. Okay, then first index in ages we are getting 20. So likewise it will work guys. So if anybody asks, if you want the details, if you want the information of particular index and particular column, so it is very helpful to you guys. Okay, so hope this will make sense how to fetch out the values. One more thing in this we'll see, that is I in. What is I in? We will see 1 in 1 2 3, we'll get the boolean format, that is true. See what is going on in this, that is 1 is present in your list or not, that it will check. It is present in list, that why it is we are getting that is true. Now if you remove this one, you will get false. So like this it will work guys. One more thing in this, that I not in, let's say 2 and 3. See, it is true because 1 is not present in your list, that's why we are getting true over here. If you put 1, then you will get false. So like this it will work guys. In, if it is present, or not in means if it is not present. So hope this will make sense. This all are functions inside this pandas. So we'll see some more stuffs in the next tutorial guys. Thank you.